bear with me because I'm still working on stuff. And so I got lots of stuff from past thrifting. All the stuff is going on eBay. Gotta be careful, got some address labels on here. But I've gone through so many different things and all this stuff is going on eBay. I built a nice setup of stuff that's already on eBay, or at least photos have already been taken. So working on a setup over here as well. Another setup of stuff that is listed. Some stuff I want to go through. A lot of this is more personal items, movies and stuff that I want to watch to see if I like before I actually let go. This area might look like junk, but this is all empty boxes. Empty boxes, empty boxes, empty boxes, empty boxes to use for shipping. And then we have stuff underneath here that I want to still go through. I built my photo table over here. Also could be used for a streaming table as well. So that's that. This is kind of personal stuff that I've collected over the years that I thought I might need or use at some point. And most times I don't use anything. So I'll probably slowly go through this stuff and list stuff on eBay as well. Same with these tubs, stuff I've collected over the years, I'll probably go through. I mean, if we take a look and see, let's see, we got drones and all kinds of stuff. Tons of stuff over here. It looks like a horrible mess, but this is a lot of my tools and stuff I just moved out of the way. Stuff I used to be big into prepping and off-grid. So I got a lot of freeze-dried foods and stuff, which I'm planning on pretty much just eating anything that is near the end date and doing like survival videos and stuff. So that's content I plan on doing. I know over here looks like a horrible mess, and that's because I just threw everything in. So I pretty much threw everything in corners until I can get to it. Here we have a brand new solar panel, a massive 200 watt. We have Christmas stuff and a lot of personal stuff. More empty boxes. All these trash bags are empty boxes that I've kept. And somewhere down in here, I have stuff, pretty much a full kit to do a supercharger swap on a V6 Mustang. Back when I had a 4.0 V6 Mustang, I bought everything, even a one-piece drive shaft, supercharger, and everything, a full kit to do it. So that's somewhere in there. I'll probably dig that out. More empty boxes, more stuff over here to flip. And that is my work in progress. I still got a lot more stuff to do, and I got tons and tons of stuff to go through to list on eBay besides what's in my basement.